Here I've got Honor 9X and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And for now, as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to change it. And we can do it by using this slider. And to get access to the more advanced setting, we have to simply slide to the right. And as you can see here, we have the more advanced modes, and we can pick the slow motion mode. And this is how it looks like. We can also change the speed of slow motion by using this button here, and we can pick from 16 to 4. As you can see, this is how it works. And now I'm going to show you how it looks like, so let's start recording by using this red button. And as you can see, the video in the slow motion was recorded, so let's go to the preview to see what we've got and play. And this is how the slow motion video looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.